I'm gonna show you 3 super easy and quick pre-workout meals. The first is gonna be my go-to pre-workout meal. This is the one that I have before my workout. The second is gonna be one that's gonna take you less than a minute. This one's gonna be super quick. And finally, the third is gonna be an AI-inspired one. It's the time of the AI. We gotta see what they can come up with. Okay, starting with the first one, I'm gonna make an egg burrito. This is gonna require you to have an air fryer, but I'm gonna show you why you should probably get one. All right, the first thing you're gonna need is some tortilla wrap. I found this one to be a good one. Get a plate that's big enough to hold the wrap and put the wrap on it. All right, now comes my favorite part. Grab the air fryer. You're gonna wanna spray it down before we do the next step. All right, now that we sprayed this down, let's grab 3 eggs and crack them into it. I like to stay next to the trash can so I can take these shells and put them right in there. Now check this out. Take that, put it back in the air fryer, turn it on. I leave it at the default 360 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes, start. See, now this is why I love the air fryer. I have 5 minutes to go do other things while this is cooking. I don't have to be standing there mixing up the eggs, heating up the pan. All right, there we go. This is all done. I'm gonna take this back to the tortilla and we're just gonna put it in there. All right, now check how easy this is. Take this, you just slide it on top. And at this stage, you can add anything you want to this thing. Sometimes I just throw some cheese on there. Other times I would maybe cook up some turkey bacon. You could customize it to whatever you need. All right, let's say you're somebody who just does not want to spend any time preparing their pre-workout meal. This next one is just for you. All right, next one, let's do a real-time shot of me grabbing this pre-workout. So just grab a container for all of it. I'm just gonna grab something from here. For the carbs, we're gonna want rice cakes. You can get this in many flavors. I happen to have the chocolate one here. Put that down. We're gonna grab a banana, also great carbs. This is gonna give you a lot of energy. Put that on there, that's gonna be enough. And let's get about a tablespoon of peanut butter on top of that rice cake. This is so quick. This is wonderful when you're on the rush. I do this sometimes. There you go. Done. Super quick, super easy. You're gonna love it. All right, now for the last one, let's have some fun and let's see what the AI can come up with. So I was really happy with what ChatGPT gave me. I asked for a pre-workout meal for those in a hurry, and it gave me a fruit smoothie, which is good in carbs, and it has some protein in there from the protein powder. So I really wanted to go check it out and try it, so let's go. All right, we're starting off with a banana. There's the banana. Let's get some of these berries in there. That's about a cup. 1 scoop of whey protein, and then some unsweetened almond milk. That looks good. Now let's mix it all up. There you go. That was really fast. Well done, AI. It really tasted good too, so I might throw this one into my pre-workout every now and then.